Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Black Friday 2021 Ace Hardware. We're shopping here. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much there's some weird prices here. As you guys see, these are pretty much extreme prices on all these, but it gets better, trust me. I'm just showing you guys what I see here. Pretty expensive for something like this. Crazy prices here. I don't know if they're gonna change them right at the Black Friday day, or are these, they're trying to save them for, the Black Friday day. I don't know. I have no idea what's going on with this. These did not have a price. My guess is they're just barely rolling these out. These are Milwaukee screwdrivers. It is a 6-piece. It's pretty nice. I do like that they have they're labeled on the back, so if you have a toolbox, you can see what they are. These are fastbacks. This is pretty much what the Depot has. This is a 2-pack, same exact package. It's pretty nice. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna have some deals with these. I don't know why they haven't, lowered the price. Maybe they're just waiting for a big sale or something for that day or something. But yeah, this is one of the kits here. This is 1-inch bits. So you got the 30. This is a 32-piece impact driver bit set. We got some 2-inch bits there. We got some nut drivers and a sleeve there for the bits. All right, guys, and I found this buy one get one free. It's crazy. It's just different. So that you buy this for $169. It's the M18 lithium 5 amp battery starter kit with a standard charger and a standard 5 amp battery, and you get a free tool. These are not fuel though; these are just regular tools. Just keep that in mind when you're coming and getting these. Still, it's worth it if you're just jumping into the line for $169. It's not a bad deal. You can choose from the 4.5 angle grinder or cutoff tool, the one-handed reciprocating saw, the multi-tool, or the sander. Like I said, these are not fuel tools. I repeat myself, so you guys will know exactly what's going on here. But they are pretty decent tools, don't get me wrong. That I would buy this kit? Probably not. The reason is because I like to get fuel tools. If I buy Milwaukee, I'm getting fuel tools, unless I'm getting a killer deal on these, and it doesn't seem like it's like the deal to die for there basically. All right, so you got a one-handed reciprocating saw, and then you got the angle grinder there, and the oscillating and the sander there at the bottom. And then these are another crazy prices here. $25.99 for the 24-piece mechanics tool set. It seems like just the other kit with just some filler in there. Isn't that crazy? For $25, you're paying for some filler. Those bits on the right. Seems like you're getting that $9 kit for $25, and then they got this one for $31. So I don't know, guys. Kind of sketchy here. This is actually not a bad one. These are just different. Look at this one. This was the palm ratchet. I never seen a palm ratchet before. It's just weird how they. Wish they had one here. I would have showed you guys what they had, how it is, but they don't have one here. But yeah, guys, and then they have this one. It's like a bit driver, like a ratchet bit driver or something like that. 35-piece. Very interesting how they have different stuff here. But yeah, the deals get better. Don't worry about it. They will get better. I'm just showing you guys what I see. All right, so this is the big wall or the big section with all these power tools, with all these deals. Alright, so they got the M12 2-tool combo kit. These are just regular Milwaukee tools. Regular price $179 down to $99.99. I think this is a pretty decent deal, especially if Milwaukee. Alright, we got the M18 compact 2-tool combo kit. Alright, down to $149 from $209. These are brush tools. These are not fuel tools. Just keep that in mind. They are not the brushless. Alright, guys, and they do carry the Extreme, which is something I was like, oh my god. They only sell this at the Lowe's, so they do carry Extreme 12-volt tools from DeWalt. So just to let you guys know. And they also do carry Atomic. So if you want to look at Atomic and Extreme Tools in the same place, here's your store. Alright, so you got 130 regular price, $139.99 for oscillating tool, and down to $99.99. That is not the kit, that is just a bare tool. Still a great price. The XR is an awesome tool. That blade list, or the tool list blade change, it's amazing. I really like that that feature on there. Got the DCD 8C2. That's the drill driver Atomic, down to $99. Regular price $169, I guess. So I don't know if it's $119 or $190 or $99, but yeah, $99. It's on sale. It is a kit. Then they got the similar to the other tools or the other stores. They do have the 3 battery combo, and then they had this 4 tool combo kit for like $419. I couldn't get the price off of that off of the image. You're probably gonna get a better image than me on your full screen there. Alright, so $99 for this is not a bad deal for the DIY. Somebody just starting out. You got impact driver, drill driver, 20 volt, regular older technology, but still great for $99. And they got this one for $34.99. It's a jigsaw, down to $24, guys. So all these deals are with the rewards. It's very easy to sign up. You don't have to give them a lot of information, just basic information, and you should be good to go. And then they got this one, $59.99 down to $34, and then they slammed it down to $24. So that's a really good deal on this for somebody that's just starting out. Let me tell you, $24. That's fairly decent. I wish I could have gotten, back in the day. All right, then they got this deal, guys. Buy one get one free from Craftsman. It's just different how they have it here, but instead of having the 4 amp hour battery, they have 2 amp hour batteries. Isn't that crazy? So if you guys want 2 amp hour batteries for free, or not for free, but in a bundle deal, buy one get one free deal, come to Ace. They do have all these kits, starter kits for you guys. They are just different from the big box stores, the bigger box stores. All right, so this one's down to $6.99. These are DeWalt saw blades, or reciprocating saw blades. You get Milwaukee fans are gonna get mad if I say saw blades. All right, so we got DeWalt, and then we got this Demolition 12-piece saw. These are saw blades, down to $19.99. This is a 12-piece Demolition saw blade set. Does come with a nice case, so not a bad deal for 20 bucks basically. Get some nice axe blades, some wreckers. Alright, $25.99 for the for flush cut saw blade. Guys, I never seen a blade like this before. I was actually doing some research how this thing's used. This thing's amazing. It's actually offset to a higher profile, so you can actually cut all the way to the concrete, guys. And it does have some special tooth at the end, so you won't ruin your tooth in the concrete when you go all the way down. So that's, if you guys want me to do a video on this blade, let me know down in the comment section. I will go buy one and demonstrate and make a special video for you guys. If you guys want me to do a video on that blade for you guys. We got bimetal reciprocating saw blade set, and they do have their own brand here. So Ace Hardware, $15.99, not a bad deal. Then they do carry Diablo, guys. So I personally will go straight for Diablo. You guys know me. Diablo is one of the better ones out there. They got this 12-gallon, 6 horsepower vacuum for down to $59.99. If you guys want an alternative to the Rigid, let me tell you, this is a pretty competitive brand and very competitive price. If you guys like the red, match with the Milwaukee, this is the way to do it, guys. Pack out. Talking about Milwaukee, these are the best deals. If you guys don't want to hack, you guys can't hack the Milwaukee pack out, you guys can come to Ace and get the pack outs by themselves for $65. This is the large box. For $65, that's probably one of the lowest we've seen. And you don't have to hack it, guys. You guys can just buy this box by itself, or you guys want to buy the rolling toolbox there at the bottom. That it does have an organizer on the top there. But yeah, you guys could get this organizer there for $99, and you guys don't have to buy like the whole 3 package or the 3 stack thing. And you can also get, I believe this one's the crates down to like $35 if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe it's down to $35. So you guys could get all these. You got the Versa stack here, the tool bag for $49.99. All these prices are down to good to November 30th, by the way. Just a lot of different stuff at Ace. I really like to come to different stores and find out different stuff for you guys. And then you got this nice tool bag set here, $9.99. It's very cheap. You got 3 different bags. So you got, oh, actually 2 different bags. They used to have 3, so now they have 2, I guess. They're cutting on the cost there. And then they got a 10-piece 3/8 drive metric socket wrench set for $9.99. These are the wrench sets that I was telling you guys over there. These are pretty good, actually, not bad. They are very basic, by the way. It's for somebody starting out. Maybe you get a teenager or something that's moving into the, he's fixing his bike or first car or whatnot. Maybe something to start off. So 11 pieces. You got SAE or metric. And then they got this nice Versa stack set. It is a nice mechanic set for $49.99. I really like the case if you're in the Versa stack. Then they got this pouch here. It's really nice pouch, 7-piece combination wrenches here for $9.99. And then they got SAE or metric. Then they got this compressor for $99. It's a 6-gallon, a pancake style. So pretty nice pancake style air compressor there for $99. Guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna cut it right here. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys would want me to make a video of that saw blade, the flush cut. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.